Editing and camera apps you should use. Apps, editing and camera. Note, this is a post I wrote a while ago. Probably will update this post soon, but still here it is. All the apps on my phone I use for editing. My cell phone pictures, of course, filters are nice. Pixlr, or however you pronounce it, Pixlr. This is just great for everything apart from filters. They just aren't great. Especially the titles and fonts are really well developed and you can choose from a huge variety of fonts. Retrica. I guess it's also nice, to be honest. I don't really know why it's on my phone. Candy Camera. Selfie, beauty camera, photo editor, Android apps on Google Play. This one is my number one editing app. The filters are just great and there is a huge variety, and you also can combine them choosing how much opacity each filter has. One downside of this app is that you can set the output quality any different than the default one, and the default one always compresses the image. As a result, you should shoot with your built-in camera, edit the pictures in this app, but keep the original images too. Cardboard Camera, Android apps on Google Play. This is great for capturing 360-degree images on your phone. Of course, you can't shoot video with it, because it combines all the images you take when you stand there for a few moments turning, and it does capture the sound during the recording. Great for revisiting places if you have a VR headset for your phone.